If Steam is showing error 321, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the quickest way to fix it step by step. This issue is often temporary, and in many cases it happens because of a payment problem, a server delay, or a transaction that is still processing in the background. So before you panic or start clicking purchase over and over, follow this simple method carefully. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, completely close Steam. Make sure it is fully shut down and not just minimized in the background. You want to exit Steam completely so it can refresh properly when you reopen it. After that, wait about 5 to 10 minutes. That waiting period is important because Steam error 321 can sometimes be caused by a temporary payment or server issue, and giving it a little time can allow the system to clear the problem on its own. While you're waiting, avoid trying the same purchase again and again. Spamming multiple attempts can sometimes make the issue worse or create more failed transactions. Instead, let Steam settle for a few minutes and then check the status of your account activity. Once the waiting period is over, open Steam again and go to Account Details. From there, click View Purchase History. This is where you can check whether your transaction is still pending, failed, or already resolved. If you see that the purchase is pending, that usually means Steam or the payment processor is still working on it, and you may just need a little more time. If it shows failed, then the previous attempt did not go through properly, and that is likely what triggered the error. In that case, the best thing to do is wait a moment, then try the purchase again only once. Don't rush it. One clean attempt is always better than multiple rapid retries. If the transaction looks normal and the error still appears, closing Steam and reopening it after the wait can often help refresh the connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable as well, because an unstable connection can sometimes interfere with purchases and account verification. Once everything looks clear, try the purchase again carefully and see if the error is gone. In most cases, this simple process fixes Steam error 321 without needing anything complicated. Just close Steam completely, wait 5 to 10 minutes, check your purchase history, confirm whether the transaction is pending or failed, and then try again only once if needed. That's the safest and easiest way to handle it. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.